Welcome back to another video. So for the past 3 weeks the sea has been unfishable with super bad weather, extremely dirty water, just sand as far as you can see, and the swells extremely high and the currents just way too strong. Every time you cast you can count to 5 and your bite will be on the shore again. So finally, look behind me, finally the swell has calmed down, and also look at the color of the water. Super clear. I'll show you. Super clear. You can actually see the bottom. So I can't wait to get the line in the water. Today's mission, just have some fun and let's see what we can catch. Okay, I'm ready. Hopefully the fish are ready. Let's see what we can get. Okay, first bite is ready to go in. Good luck to myself because I'm gonna need it. After 3 weeks of being depressed, not able to catch anything, it's time to just have some fun. Since the water is so clean, I have a good feeling. Oh, I just saw a fish in the way. That was a nice size fish. Just here in front. See that little rock? Just on top of that rock. See if I can get that to the inner. Almost. That fish almost remembered. Oh, that was bad luck on my end. That fish actually committed. Okay, the fish are here. I'm going to get you now. I did in fact not get them right away. So it's a few hours later now and the water has pushed up. It's around high tide now, but the fish are still on the bite. Hey! Okay, this one is 40 centimeters. There we go. There. Back there. Identical, same exact size. 42. These two fish weighed almost exactly the same. There was no time to wallow in my sorrows after that, because Jared decided to go for a dive and he caught us a few nice lobsters. Circle him. You can just wind. Okay. Little fish, little fish. Baby stone breed. Jesus, small. Small. Yeah. Little stone breed. Size is 21. Okay, let's release the baby. Little circle loop. Let's get the nice release. release. Off it goes. This is how my dinner turned out. Thank you for watching.